Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Launch Bob World on your device and sign into your game account. Wait for the home screen to fully load before you continue. Tap the main menu icon at the top right of the home screen. The menu expands with icons and labels for store, friends, events, and settings. Select settings from the menu list to find scanning and profile options. Stay on the settings page for the next steps to locate the QR code scanner. Choose the scanner option in settings to open the in-game QR scanner. The scanner screen shows a square guide and a toggle flash control. If no scanner appears, open your profile page to reveal a QR section. Your profile may display a personal QR code image and a save button. Position your device camera 3 to 6 inches from the printed QR for fast scanning. Hold steady until you hear a confirmation sound or see a success animation. Tap Save to store the QR image to your device photos or gallery. Verify the saved image by opening your Photos app and viewing the file. Use Share to send the QR via messaging apps or copy the image link to clipboard. When sharing, choose the specific app and follow the app send flow to deliver the code. Check for a confirmation message showing success or completion after saving or sharing. Return to settings if you need to regenerate or adjust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.